Jazz exposes a speaker in a way few genres can. If the saxophone sounds harsh, the upright bass loses its body, or the brushes disappear into the background, the entire performance feels less real. The right speaker brings the club, studio, or concert hall into your room. From the Wharfedale Linton Heritage's warm, spacious presentation to Kef's precise imaging, Harbeth's natural mid-range, Dynaudio's refined detail, and Focal's larger-scale energy, these 7 speakers are built for the tone, texture, and separation that jazz demands. The Linton is especially compelling for listeners who want full-body bass, natural vocals, and an atmospheric presentation across jazz, live recordings, and other acoustic music. In this video, I'm breaking down the top 7 best speakers for jazz lovers in 2026, comparing vocals, horns, cymbals, upright bass, soundstage, room suitability, and exactly which speaker deserves a place in your system. Links are in the description, products are in the pinned comment. Let's get into it.
This video is presented you by Trusty Picks.
Number 7. JBL L82 Classic MK2. The JBL L82 Classic MKI is a stylish and powerful choice for jazz lovers who want a more energetic presentation with classic design. Its retro-inspired appearance makes it a natural match for vinyl systems, while its larger bookshelf format gives it enough scale to reproduce live jazz and horn-driven music with authority. The speaker is particularly enjoyable with big band jazz, live performances, blues, soul, and vocal recordings. Trumpets and saxophones can sound immediate and expressive, while drums gain the impact needed to make the rhythm feel physical. L82 Classic MKII does not focus on a soft or understated presentation. It has more energy and presence, which can make records feel exciting and direct. This is a good match for listeners who want to feel closer to the performance and enjoy a speaker with a strong personality. Its larger cabinet allows it to produce more bass and a bigger soundstage than a small compact monitor. It should be placed on stable stands and given enough space from the wall. A suitable amplifier can help control the speaker and produce the best balance. The design is also a major part of its appeal. The retro styling, vintage-inspired grille, and bold cabinet make it feel like a statement piece in a listening room. For vinyl lovers, this visual connection to classic hi-fi can be just as attractive as the sound. The JBL L82 Classic MKI is best for listeners who want jazz with energy, scale, and vintage character. It is a strong choice for people who enjoy live recordings, brass instruments, and a more immediate presentation. Number 6. Dolly Oberon 3. The Dolly Oberon 3 is a warm and versatile bookshelf speaker that works especially well with jazz vocals, acoustic instruments, and small ensemble recordings. It offers a pleasing combination of body, openness, and clarity without becoming overly bright. The speaker is particularly good at presenting vocals with a natural and relaxed character. A singer can sound centered and expressive, while the instruments behind the voice remain easy to follow. Saxophones, piano, guitar, and upright bass all benefit from the speaker's smooth and musical presentation. The Oberon 3 has enough cabinet volume to provide a stronger bass foundation than many smaller bookshelf speakers. This makes it useful for jazz recordings where the upright bass is an important part of the arrangement. It can also work well in a medium-sized room without immediately requiring a subwoofer. One of its strengths is its broad and open presentation. It does not force the listener to sit in one very narrow position. This makes it useful in a living room where different people may listen from different chairs. The speaker is also relatively easy to pair with affordable amplifiers. It can be used in a traditional stereo system, a vinyl setup, or a streaming-based system. Its warm character makes it forgiving with different sources and recording qualities. For listeners who want jazz to sound natural, relaxed, and enjoyable without spending on a premium floor stander, the Dolly Oberon 3 is a very strong choice. It is especially suitable for small rooms, medium-sized rooms, and listeners who enjoy vocal and acoustic jazz. Number 5. Focal Aria Evo X No 2. The Focal Aria Evo Kite No 2 is a floor-standing speaker for jazz listeners who want greater scale, wide dynamics, and a more complete full-range presentation. It is particularly useful for larger rooms where a compact bookshelf speaker may not create enough space or bass authority. The speaker can make big band jazz, live performances, and large ensemble recordings feel expansive, Horn sections can sound powerful, drums can have strong impact, and bass instruments can provide a solid foundation. At the same time, vocals and individual instruments remain clear enough to follow. Vocal speakers are known for combining detail with energy, and the Aria Evo X No 2 brings that character to jazz recordings. It can make brass instruments feel vivid and alive, while piano and percussion retain a strong sense of attack. This is especially enjoyable for listeners who want jazz to sound exciting rather than overly relaxed. The floor-standing design also reduces the need for a subwoofer in a traditional stereo system. It can provide enough low-frequency support for upright bass, kick drums, and larger recordings. A subwoofer may still be helpful for home theater, but many jazz listeners may be satisfied with the speaker on its own. The Aria Evo X No 2 is best suited to medium and large rooms. It should have enough space around it to create a proper stereo image and avoid excessive bass buildup. A powerful and clean amplifier will help the speaker perform at its best. For jazz fans who want scale, energy, clarity, and a premium floor-standing design, the Focal Aria Evo X No 2 is a strong option. It is also included among recommended audiophile speakers for detailed and dynamic music playback. Number 4. Dynaudio Special 40. The Dynaudio Special 40 is a premium bookshelf speaker that combines warmth, detail, and excellent control. It is especially appealing to jazz listeners who want a speaker that can reproduce the full character of acoustic instruments while remaining smooth enough for long listening sessions. The speaker is strong with vocals and mid-range instruments. A singer's voice can sound rich and expressive, while piano notes retain both weight and clarity. The Special 40 also handles cymbals, brushes, and percussion with enough detail to make the rhythm feel alive without becoming harsh. Its compact size makes it suitable for small and medium rooms, but it can create a larger soundstage than its physical dimensions suggest. With proper stands and positioning, the speaker can present a jazz quartet or live ensemble with impressive space and separation. The Special 40 is not limited to classic jazz. It can handle fusion, modern jazz, funk, acoustic recordings, and high-quality vocal albums. Its balanced character allows it to adapt to different recording styles without forcing everything to sound the same. A capable amplifier is important because the speaker benefits from good control. It can also be paired with a subwoofer later if the owner wants deeper bass for upright bass or organ recordings. Without a subwoofer, it still offers a satisfying and well-rounded presentation for many rooms. For jazz lovers who want a compact speaker with premium construction, smooth treble, strong imaging, and rich mid-range tone, the Dynaudio Special 40 is one of the most attractive choices in 2026. It is included among respected audiophile bookshelf speakers for detailed and musical listening. Number 3. Harbeth Monitor 30.2 XD. The Harbeth Monitor 30.2 XD is an excellent speaker for jazz because it reproduces the mid-range with exceptional naturalness. Jazz depends heavily on the realism of acoustic instruments, and this speaker is particularly good at making vocals, saxophones, trumpets, piano, guitar, and double bass sound believable. Its presentation is smooth, relaxed, and highly musical. A trumpet can sound powerful without becoming sharp, while a saxophone can retain its warm and breathy character. Vocals also benefit from the speaker's natural mid-range, allowing the listener to hear the emotion and phrasing of the performer. The Monitor 30.2 XD is especially good with small group jazz, vocal jazz, acoustic recordings, and live club performances. It can create a realistic sense of presence without exaggerating the size of the venue. This makes the recording feel intimate and authentic. The speaker is a stand-mount design, so it does not produce the deepest bass by itself. However, that can make it easier to use in smaller rooms. A properly integrated subwoofer can be added later for listeners who want additional low-end extension. One of the biggest advantages of the Harbeth is long-term listening comfort. It does not force excessive detail into the foreground, and it does not make poor recordings sound unnecessarily harsh. This makes it an excellent choice for jazz collectors who own records from many different eras and recording qualities. The Monitor 30.2 XD is best for listeners who prioritize realistic tone and musical expression over maximum volume. It may not be the most dramatic speaker in the category, but it is one of the most convincing for natural acoustic instruments. Number 2. KEF R3 Meta. The KEF R3 Meta is a strong choice for jazz listeners who care about precision, imaging, and clear separation between instruments. Jazz recordings often include many layers, such as drums, upright bass, piano, guitar, horns, and vocals, and the R3 Meta is designed to keep those elements organized. One of the speaker's main advantages is its ability to create a focused stereo image. A well-recorded jazz trio can sound naturally spread across the room, with the piano, bass, drums, and saxophone occupying distinct positions. This makes the speaker especially rewarding for listeners who enjoy studying the performance and following individual musicians. The R3 Meta is also excellent with vocals. Singers can appear centered and clearly separated from the instruments behind them. The speaker preserves detail in cymbals and brushes while keeping horns and brass instruments controlled. This allows the presentation to remain vivid without becoming overly aggressive. Its compact size makes it suitable for medium-sized rooms and dedicated listening setups. It should be used on stable stands and paired with a capable amplifier. A subwoofer can be added later if the listener wants deeper bass for upright bass, organ, or large ensemble recordings. The R3 Meta is best for jazz lovers who want an accurate and revealing presentation. It does not add as much warmth as the Wharfedale Linton, but it gives the listener more precision and separation. That makes it ideal for modern jazz, live recordings, fusion, bebop, and carefully engineered studio albums. If your priority is hearing the location and texture of every instrument, the KEF R3 Meta is one of the best bookshelf speakers to consider in 2026. Number 1. Wharfedale Linton Heritage. The Wharfedale Linton Heritage is one of the best speakers for jazz lovers because it produces a warm, spacious, and highly musical presentation. Jazz recordings depend heavily on the natural tone of instruments, and the Linton is especially good at giving saxophones, trumpets, upright bass, piano, and vocals a rich and believable character. The larger bookshelf design helps the speaker create a fuller sound than many compact monitors. This makes it particularly enjoyable with classic jazz recordings, small club performances, vocal jazz, and live albums. The speaker can reproduce the atmosphere of the recording while keeping the instruments easy to follow. One of its biggest strengths is its relaxed presentation. Horns can sound expressive without becoming painfully bright, while cymbals retain enough detail to remain realistic. Vocals also benefit from the speaker's strong mid-range, giving singers a natural sense of body and presence. The Linton Heritage is not designed as an ultra-analytical studio monitor. Instead, it focuses on musical involvement. It makes it easy to listen to complete albums and spend hours with a record collection. That makes it especially suitable for listeners who care about emotion, tone, and the atmosphere of a performance. Because it is a large bookshelf speaker, it should be placed on proper stands. Giving it some space from the wall can also help improve bass balance. When properly positioned, it can create a broad and convincing image in a medium or large room. For jazz fans who want warmth, body, natural instruments, and an old-school hi-fi character, the Wharfedale Linton Heritage remains one of the strongest choices in 2026. It is repeatedly included among audiophile speaker recommendations for rich and musical listening. So, that wraps up our list of the best speakers for jazz lovers in 2026. If this video was useful to you, kindly click the thumbs up button. Which one will you pick? Describe your thoughts in the comments section below. Thank you for your time. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss an updates. Everyone who had come this far, I'm hoping to see you in the next video.